pigeons have feelings?
Pigeons? Yes.
Why is that?
Because they're magical.
I love this dog. Can I take her home?
No, she's mine.
But we would probably eat her.
You're awful.
Why do you think I'm Burl?
I love her.
She's like a little teddy bear.
Mhm.
And Smokey's just like, F you guys, I'm dope. I'm on the top layer. It's like a boulder, it won't go down.
Hey.
Megan's. Instead of getting an N for Megan, because there's a lot and I thought I found them. Ooh, this is Z. So help me. She's making herself a bracelet still.
No.
No!
Get out. Get out of here if you're gonna bark.
Pissy Megan.
I don't like it. Shush. I don't like it when you bark.
Beat him with a stick. Do you know how awkward those are?
What?
Bones.
Anything?
Megan's the one at the lever. She's Peabody and I'm Atlas.
You hurt my feelings, man.
Cause you're a dick.
I'm gonna cry.
You're a dick.
Open this door.
Fuck no.
Open this door, madam.
Fuck no.
Don't make me suck that cock.
How's that even possible, for one?
No, I'm the taller one, so it just doesn't make sense.
You know you love me, ho.
Oh, yeah. A ball sack. Can I do it this time, please,
Sure.
please?
Oh, it was inside of you.
No, it always does that.
You're a hoe. You're a hoe.
Oh, I'm
You're a
cheating
hoe.
with my sperm.
I can. Oh! Megan! Why?
Hold on, I have to stay
Stupid
there.
hoe. Supposed to hit the button.
Oh, okay, I have to hit the button and then jump you?
Yes.
Okay.
I can see my ass. I can see my ass. Ah!
How's that make you feel?
I'm just gonna have fun. Megan, show.
I just said you were cute when you died.
That's not even theoretically possible.
You jumped.
American Beauty or Birth.
That's not even theoretically possible, Megan.
I don't know how that happened, but I just hit you and then you fell into the water.
That was not nice.
She jumped off of it.
Girl was coming through there, Kevin,